Ni ya mirongo ere na ithano mweri-ini wa kana mwaka wa ngiri mirongo ere na inya na gitio kinene njitikiria ngoro ngikunyita ugeni guku kwa Muthingi TV gikunjuro gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa umuthi ngakihoka ati thiko yaku no iragithi na mbere gukorwo ikiagira na rere mbura nene iragithi na mbere kura ituritiganite cia bururi ngakihoka ati we ni urakorwo ukigitira makiria ni ndagioka niguo ngumenyithia uria bururi wagitinda ukigariura ndi haha ngurehere riboti kuma county itiganite guku bururi-ini wa Kenya nginyagia riboti kuma nja wa itoka cia bururi tukuru kwigo nginya riboti cia mathako na maingi maria andiki itu wa mohoro makirokire gutumathira no mbere ndaya tobe tomukire matemo ma mohoro
Mamwe maria tukuhaririire ni ati mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga kwenda thirikari kwagirithia njira ya guthaitira a Kenya Miyuro-ini ya mai mabura aikari ya kaunti ya Bungoma na Trans Nzoia kugunika na uruguria wa mai ni thirikari ya Amerika na waikari ya gicigo kia bunge kia Idako ya muhuro kaunti ya Kakamega kurorogana makenda kuhagurwo kwa mubunge wa Stephen Mukala ni undu wa gukoma wira-ini.
Tugagiteka muno makiria ni we gwitikira gutwarana na ithwe gikunjuro-ini giki gitu kia mohoro ririkana ati mohoro maya maito turamamemerekia imwe kwa imwe nenda-ini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria wathi kuria muno wa Facebook o tukorako @Muthingi TV waikoroka kuria muno wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV na nigiikaria giti giki kia umemerekia hingo ciothe njitikaga wairimo wa Kimani. Aya na tukiambiriria tukwambiriria na ripoti ya Miyuro ya mai maria mabura iria iragithi na mbere gukorwo ikiura ituritiganite cia bururi wa Kenya na kuria guku mbura ino igithi na mbere kura guku ikiuraga a Kenya aingi guthararia uruti wa wira na kuhuruja family itiganite hari county itiganite makiria hari muci munene wa Nairobi. Riu mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga nikitie na kuri thirikari nene kiroretereria mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto akimwira korwo akianirira mbura ino kana Miyuro ya mai mabura ino eta king'uki ya bururi. Raila Odinga ni augite ati we na abunge ake a mung'ethaniro ni makoretwo makiruta kimanjika ya ciringi milioni 1 iria igukorwo ikirekererio kuri ruhonge rwa mutharafa mutune kimanjika kana kigena kiria gikuhuthika hari guteithiriria family iria cikihutitio ni Miyuro guku akiuria thirikari ya William Ruto ukorwo ikioerara makinya o ta mau ni riboti iria iragituhingura gikunjuro gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa umuthi.
Kenyans and Nairobi residents, it is now clear that we are in the trust of a national flooding disaster, especially within Nairobi City County. Relentless rains currently pounding the nation have caused severe damage, including loss of lives, destruction to infrastructure, and overwhelmed the city's poorly managed drainage system. I have held a consultative meeting with the political leadership of Nairobi, including members of the National Assembly and the Senator, with the aim of getting a clear picture, shining sharp focus on the suffering of residents, as well as mobilizing urgent support for mitigation measures. We hasten to add that all such mitigation measures are emergency ones, but the conversation must later move to long-term actions to safeguard the lives and property of the city's residents. Allow us first to send a message of condolences to the families and friends of those who have lost their lives following the floods, as well as a message of goodwill to those who have suffered losses in whatever form. Be assured that your leaders, we are doing all in our ability and power to extend all possible forms of support at this time. We call upon the national and county governments to lead from the front in rescue and support missions. We also appeal to local and international partners to join us in this venture.
Haya na tugithii na mbere ni ati akiaria muthenya wa wetatu ari mucini gwake kuria mwena wa Karen riria auma giikaro na minister wa ukinyaniria nio ICT kuma kuria bururi wa Namibia Emma Inamutulia. Munini wa president Rigathi wa Gachagua niugite ati beo njithe ni manyitite itemi inene makiria hari uthii wa nambere sekta-ini ya ukinyaniria. Na kuona ati minister ucio wa bururi wa Namibia niwe minister uria munini miaka hari gitaro-ini kia Africa. Rigathi wa Gachagua ni uretie beo njithe kuma guku bururi-ini wa Kenya gukorwo makiyukia mieke ya mawira na makiria hari sekta ya ukinyaniria.
Position at that age, I want to say, is very, very, very encouraging. And let us mentor young people. Let us prepare them for leadership. Because the future of our continent lies in our youthful population. They are energetic, they are vibrant, they have energy, they are suave, they are tech. I think we really need to encourage them to take up leadership positions when they are still very productive. So that is something President William Ruto and I believe in, and we continue to do so. Most of our principal secretaries are very young people, and we continue to give them opportunities in various areas of influence.
Kenya is taking the lead really,
yes,
around connectivity issues, technology issues, and this is why we thought it was important to come and join my older brother, the Minister of or the Cabinet Secretary of ICT here in Kenya.
Eliodowala.
Yes, Eliodowala for this important summit. Your Excellency, we also had the opportunity to look around at some of the innovative projects here in Kenya.
Yes.
We managed to go to Konza Technopolis.
Ah, very good.
The smart city you are trying to implement.
Yes.
I can only commend you.
Yes.
For such a bold but promising project that you are going to roll out here in Kenya, not only to benefit Kenya, but also Africa, because it's dubbed as the Silicon of Africa.
Yes.
And we know that as Namibians will be able to benefit. We also managed to visit the assembling plant of cell phones, which is also so progressive.
Right.
There are so many young people that are employed at that assembling plant, and it's encouraging for us. Yes. Because we are also grappled with youth unemployment. And finally, this morning, we're able to go to Sama Source, which is this AI data labeling company,
yes,
which is also so impressive. And we wanted to see this innovative projects you are already doing in Kenya as a potential way to roll out technology.
Na tugitigana na ndomereri iyo ya Rigathi wa Gachagua tugithi na mbere ni ati governor wa county ya Marsabit Mohamud Ali ni atetetie mafitha akorwa na ungumania goko bururi-ini nio EACC thutha wa family yake gukorwo igitharikirwo riri aragirwo gukorwo akinyitwo ngononi kana agikio ngononi mafitha akorwa na ungumania wake mucii muthenya wa ira. Mohamud Ali akiaria na andiki a mohoro muthenya wa umuthi ari kuria wabici ya EACC mwena wa Isiolo ni augite ati mafitha acio a EACC mara mutharikire wake mucii mathaa-ini ma thinacara cia rucini undu uria watigire family yake na hahu.
This morning, about 6 a.m., I got strange visitors who later on introduced themselves as officers from EACC. So they had a search warrant properly served on me from the courts, and of course we complied. They did what they had to do. We had a good interaction. However, what is not very amusing, and I must say this, is that the manner in which they brought us here, the dramatic procession to Isiolo, was not necessary at all. Because I was told just to confirm whether these are the documents I saw in the morning or they collected in the morning, which I did. I could easily have done it there. I am a public figure. I can't run away from government summons. I will always comply. So, who is to be pleased on that is something that I